English tip number 8, and versus or. Hi everybody, today we are going to learn something new. Our topic seems very familiar because we always use and or, but did you use them correctly? Keep on watching and you will know what I mean. In case you don't know, let me tell you that and or are two of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. We use and or to link two ideas in a sentence. Please take note of this. We use and in positive sentences. Like in this example, Joy likes apples and bananas. On the other hand, we use or in negative sentences. Like in this example, Jim doesn't play football or basketball. In this statement, the word doesn't indicates that the sentence is in negative form. So, is everything clear? Please get ready for a short quiz. Write and or. Number 1. He plays basketball blank volleyball. This is a positive sentence, therefore the answer is and. Number 2. I don't walk blank ride my bike to school. This is a negative sentence, so the answer is or. Number 3. He reads comics blank books. Our answer is and. Number 4. She doesn't like science blank English. The answer is or. Number 5. We like eating bread blank jam. Since this is a positive sentence, the answer should be and. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you again in my next video.